Church. Let's get in. Let's get in. Babe. Santo Niño, Cebu. Marami na rin po tao. Hi guys, punta na kami sa pool.
Wait, Daddy?
Yeah, so
oh, is that
fourth
one floor?
Fourth floor.
Fourth floor? What's the fourth floor? The one?
Punta kami ng pool and then tingnan namin yung tsura. Tara, sama niya kami. So yun guys, yung fourth floor, yung pool.
Saan yung gym di?
Hindi ko alam, saan gym?
Wala, ito kasi anak na yun di.
Oh. Ito
anak ko.
Tak, there's a gym. Wanna go? There's a gym. Oh, you wanna build your muscle now? Saan yung balay?
Yeah, there's no interest there. It's okay. This morning, tomorrow morning, we come here, okay? Another interest, okay?
Gusto talaga magpalaki lang ano? Muscles? Muscles? Magpalaki na siya muscle ko ya. Ang gamay. Okay, come on Clark. Hey, tell English only. Di kasabot ko. Saya Tagalog. Let's go.
Pwede naman siya.
Sige, let's go Clark, come on.
Bye. What do you say?
Say? Guys, ito yung pool nila. Ito. Late lang. Wala privacy. Anyway, okay na rin yan. There you go. Here's the gym, right?
How did you find that? There's the entrance. I don't know.
That's the entrance, oh. Ito guys, yung ano nila. Yung receiving area na. Yeah.
We have 3 days.
Yeah, 3 days. Let's go. Ah, very nice.
Just 2 days.
Very nice, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, look.
Just 2 days.
2 days only, yeah. So this is the entrance?
Yeah.
Look, very nice, Tractor Belen. No, very nice. Wait. Look at that.
I want to eat that one, the western one.
Very nice. Umamayang gabi nila siguro, be.
Eat the western one.
Okay. Let's go, very nice. Let's go, Clark. Kain muna kami dito sa Cebu, sa Santo Niño, sa Jollibee. So sila mami, andyan na sila mami, nagpuan. Then kami, pila muna ako dito. Init. Eat Jollibee. Ito lang sa akin. Spaghetti, Jollibee, spicy. Like chicken lang, sa may palabok. Kain tayo. Guys, tapos kami kumain. Mamaya simba kami ulit. Come na. You okay na? Your sit down?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Naglaro siya ng ano, bago.
Pasok kami sa Cebu Santo Niño Church.
Hindi. Tayo sa.
Oh my goodness.
Balik siya pag...
Let's get in. I want to go up. Want to go up or go down only? Up is better, right? Let's go up. Dito na kami sa Santo Niño Church. What's on it? Saan na kami? Kamay. Sabi. Basta. Santo Niño, Cebu. Marami na rin po tao. Pero dito hindi katulad dati. Ayan guys. Yan, yan pa yung tao ngayon dyan. Wala pa tao ngayon dito.
Not. We're looking on the umbrella. The food away. You get on the
they speak to us of the promise of the coming of the Messiah. And the fulfillment of that is the birth of our Lord Jesus Christ.
ganda talaga siya, be.
We go to gym at the morning time.
And then you make your muscles. Yeah. Yeah, he needs to make the muscles for me.
Yeah.
Why do you want to have muscles?
I'm getting stronger than you.
Why you want to be stronger than me?
Yes.
Oh.
Like your muscles.
Okay. I don't have any muscle.
Yes, you did.
That's only fake one. It's a fake muscle.
That's muscle.
That's a fake one. Say, bye, Señor Santo Niño. Tell first, goodbye, Señor Santo Niño. Hindi na, be. Bukas na yung matyasan.
Let's go find
Kaya.
a taxi, Daddy. Let's go.
Maganda ba dyan? Diyan tayo papunta ng Boracay.
Di ba?
Oo, diyan tayo. Tapos papunta ng Boracay na tayo.